Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Nurbek and I'm from the beautiful country of Kyrgyzstan, a land of mountains, lakes, and warm-hearted people. Thank you for joining me here. On this channel, I'll be sharing everything you need to know to travel to Kyrgyzstan easily, affordably, and with confidence. Whether you're planning your first trip or looking for off-the-beaten-path adventures, you're in the right place. So why visit Kyrgyzstan? Kyrgyzstan is one of the most stunning and underrated destinations in Central Asia. From the crystal-clear waters of Issyk-Kul Lake to the snowy peaks of Ala-Arka National Park and the peaceful beauty of Sun-Kul Lake, this country is full of natural wonders. Now, here are a few travel hacks to help you get started. Download essential apps, use 2GIS for maps and city navigation, Yandex Go for taxi services, and Google Translate to help you communicate if you don't speak Russian or Kyrgyz. Get a local SIM card. Internet and mobile coverage is great in cities and many rural areas. You can buy a SIM from providers like O, Beeline, or Megacom right at the airport. Use public transport or shared taxis. It's super affordable. Buses and marshrutkas, minibuses, are common in cities, and shared taxis are a budget-friendly way to travel between towns. Stay with local families or in yurts. For a truly authentic experience, spend a night in a yurt near Sun-Kul or book a homestay through local guesthouse networks. Cash is king. Credit cards are accepted in cities, but always carry Kyrgyz when traveling in the countryside. Each week, I'll be posting new videos with itineraries, guides, hidden gems, and practical tips to help you explore Kyrgyzstan like a local. So make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join me on this journey through the heart of Central Asia. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.